What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, hopefully, we'll be fixing the 135 once and for all. I ended up buying some differential bushings. Here, let me show you. There's some white line differential bushings, and hopefully this will take all the flex out of the diff and fix the drive shaft from hidden. Once we take everything out, I'm also gonna look at the e-brake cables that the drive shaft is hidden on and see if I can reroute them or do something. But we have to take everything out again, which sucks, but it is what it is. First, before I start this, I want to go get a creeper because mine broke a few months ago, and crawling under the car with no creeper just absolutely sucks. So let's make a coffee, head up to Harbor Freight, get one of those $20 creepers, and let's get going. Gotta love driving all the way to Harbor Freight to not have the thing you were looking for. But I did get this sweet light, so oh well, I guess we'll be crawling on the ground. All right, boys, let's get this car on jack stands, take the exhaust off. Actually, the axles don't even have to come off. I just have to unbolt it from the diff, take the drive shaft off, and drop the diff. And it should be it. All right, so you can see the drive shaft. See this black spot here? That's exactly where it's hidden. So it's probably that e-brake cable. That's pushed up all the way up, so I can't push it up anymore. One thing I want to check is once I take this out, I'm gonna see if I can, instead of bringing it through here, is bring it right through the top of the tank here. But this is pretty hard line, so I don't know if I can or not, but let's we'll check it out. All right, as soon as I took the drive shaft off, I could see that it was hidden right here, so that's probably the major of the noise right here, and it was also rubbing a little bit right on the e-brake line. I don't think this was making the noise. I think this was the whole issue. So this I can just hammer up a little bit to clearance it a little bit more. The e-brake, I'm not really sure yet. I was thinking about cutting this bracket here and moving it out of the way. The problem is on this side you got the gas tank, so I can't really move it this way. So we'll figure it out. Let's clearance this first and see what we can do about the e-brake line. All right, the rear bushing is out on the rear. and the 2 front ones are out. So now the next thing to do is, here, let me put the camera down so it makes it easier. We gotta lube up the inside here. Do not lube up here. So just the inside here, and there's the other side. We'll put one side on each side, and then the tube goes right in the center. So bushings are all in, greased up, and these are in. So now we just got to put the diff up, bolt everything up. I clearance the body right there where it was hidden. So I'm hoping this is the last time we're taking everything out. So let's put everything back, and I'll catch you as soon as everything's done. All right, the car, it's all done. It took about 4.5 hours. We got Brian over here helping out. Brian, say what's up to the channel. And then Luis literally shows up as soon as the car is done, so figures. But yeah, now we just we got all the clearance up on the drive shaft and all that. We got the bushings in, so hopefully it works. We'll take it for a ride and see what happens.
Yeah.
Oh,
I know, he's so low every time.
Yeah. No, I'm right with you.
We're back in the car. Cross fingers, this is it. Letting the car warm up a little bit, and then we'll do a 15 psi pull. If nothing happens, 20. Nothing happens, 25. So we'll keep going up, building it up. So once the car warms up, we'll do a little pull. All right, we'll do a little quick pull right here. So far so good. That was only about 13 psi, but the electronic boost controller is giving me a code. Alright, so that was 15 psi, and seemed good so far. Now we'll do a quick 20 psi. Seemed good. All right, we're gonna do a 24 pounds of boost right now, and see how that works. Sketchy there, but no rubbing at all. The car was dancing to lower the road. Whew. That almost gave me a heart attack, but so far no rubbing, so we're good to go, boys. I'll try a 30 psi, but I gotta do in a better road. Good. We got it. It's back together. We're getting ready to go back to the track. Hopefully next Friday everything's good. I'm gonna look at the logs, and we'll take it back to the track, man. It's running perfect. There's no rubbing, there's nothing. So cross fingers that everything stays good. Oh, dude, when I
Were you 30 psi?
now right before we got into the highway, I got into 25 psi.
Yeah.
But dude,
I give you a mass too.
when I passed you, did you see how sketchy my car was?
Dude, I saw you fucking
Dude,
spinning like pretty
Dude,
hard.
I got so fucking scared.
We were going into a merge and you just blew by.
Yeah, I was.
Yeah, but dude,
I was recording and I let go right before that. I was like, fuck.
dude, the whole car was swerving, and I thought I was gonna like tail whip you.
Wait, so you guys, all three of you guys are not racing, right? After this, on that empty road or whatever.
I feel like they've been racing this whole time.
No, I mean like a seriously, legitly race. Hey, so was Brian and the other guys coming? Yeah, where?
They were right behind us the whole time, I guess.
Did they know where to come?
You probably didn't even tell him.
No, I did tell him.
Should probably catch up with them. Fuck you, slow guys. You guys have been zooming this whole time. Yeah, I don't know what's up with my car. It's just
What
what's wrong with it?
Yeah, I thought it was a gear change, but it wasn't.
It doesn't, like, you can hear it rev, but it doesn't go until like almost the top.
dude, I'm telling you. So I didn't know this. I thought it was two separate tunes. He said the DME controls, well, no, the DME sends the information to the transmission. So when you got the tune for the supercharger, I guarantee you they got rid of the other tune.
Yeah.
And you probably need a transmission tune.
Yeah, probably. It's like just not.
It's probably just slipping.
That's what I was thinking too, because it'll rev up and then we're not going anywhere, and then all of a sudden it pulls like really hard.
Oh, wow. Oh, so the clutch is slipping.
I don't know if it's a clutch or.
From what you're describing, that's what happens when a clutch slips.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's probably the clutch pack
the
slipping.
Yeah, when a clutch
Oh,
goes
that's
bad.
so expensive.
Yeah,
Well, no. If you get the tune, it'll stop doing that.
Are you sure?
Yeah, 1000%.
Okay.
The tune also it lets it get hotter because it's a GTS, which has its own oil cooler.
Yeah.
This doesn't, but now it's getting hotter because of the supercharger.
Yeah, that's the thing. Like Cameron's car was spinning, and then he got the tune and stopped spinning, and now he even turned up the boost even more, and still not. Yeah.
They're coming out.
Okay.
Because you know, on a van transmission, you have to replace your clutch packs.
Yeah.
And then,
No, we were like neck and neck.
dude, trust
Aside
me.
from the start, we
Trust
were
me,
neck
I
and
told
neck.
Chris this like 3 times. He's like, no, we're for yours. I'm like,
No.
no, you were
I will
pulling.
be once it's running.
I didn't start right, so I did lag, but you was still faster than me.
Yeah, like he couldn't catch up. That's the thing. You were pulling and he just couldn't catch up.
Well,
Congratulations.
tell me that when I fix it.
I'm going home and ordering fucking.
Yeah, he's just gonna
A tune.
Get a tune. It's over.
I was gonna tune anyways.
I mean,
I thought there were. Oh no, wait, that's not them.
no, that's it.
So the way back, we do a pull on the highway, and the car literally just shuts off. Lights off, everything's off, and we coasted right here through the highway. We got off here and we made it into the parking lot. Now I was freaking out. I'm like, what now? And we ended up popping the trunk, and I think one of the battery cables is loose, which is crazy because I literally haven't touched that in years. So Chris is coming back with the tools, and there's just tying that bolt, and I think we should be fixed. To the rescue. Dude, I think my battery terminal is loose, which is weird.
Stayed in place.
Top subs, dude. Huh? You're making
Cool.
top subs, man.
All right, so we're back in the garage, and I found the issue. The car's back, so we're good to go. But the issue was, here, let me show you. There's this box here where the battery is, and this section here, so it had a cover and all that, and I took it off. So something here is like shorting out. It's right on this. So I'm not really sure. I don't know what this is. I don't know if it's like some type of crash safety thing or what, but I don't know if I should, if I can jump this and put it directly to the battery terminal and just get rid of this whole box, or if I have to order a new one. So I'm gonna look online, do a little research, and see if I can just jump it. And if I can't, I'll just order a new one. Either I'll get one from the junkyard, or I'll just order one from BMW and see what it is. So other than that, the car's running great, dude. I did a couple pulls in 25 PSI, and the car was pulling good. Everything looked good, so I think we're good to go. And I'll just see you in the next video, all right? Thanks for watching. See you.